A lot of people think small game hunting is all about accuracy, but the truth is, your aim does not mean much if you are doing everything else wrong. Out here in the forest, it is usually the small mistakes that ruin your chances before you realize. So in this video, I am going to break down 3 simple but powerful tips that can instantly improve your success. And the cool thing is you can practice all of this even without actively hunting. Just by being more aware when you are out here, you will learn a lot. The first thing, and honestly, the biggest mistake I see, is how people move through the forest. Most people walk too fast. They step hard, they rush, and they treat it like a hike. But animals do not move like that, and they definitely notice when something feels off. What you want to do instead is slow everything down. Take one step, pause, look around, listen, then take another. It almost feels unnatural at first, but over time you start to blend into the environment. And here is something a lot of people miss. It is not just about being quiet, it is about being unpredictable in a natural way. Animals are used to natural sounds like wind branches moving and leaves shifting, but consistent rhythmic human movement stands out immediately. So break your rhythm, change your pace, and stop randomly. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not move at all. The second tip is learning how to use your surroundings properly. Out here, you should almost never be fully exposed. If you are just walking out in the open, you are basically announcing your presence. Instead, start thinking in terms of cover. Trees, bushes, shadows, these are your allies. Move from one piece of cover to the next. Keep something between you and where you think animals might be. Even something as simple as standing next to a tree instead of in the open can make a huge difference. This also helps with your shots because you can stabilize yourself by leaning or bracing. So instead of focusing only on the shot, focus on positioning before the shot happens. That is where most opportunities are won or lost. The third tip, and this one is massive, is understanding the wind. You can do everything else right. Move quietly, stay hidden. But if the wind is carrying your scent toward an animal, it is over. Animals rely heavily on smell, and the tricky part is you usually will not notice when it happens. They will just disappear before you ever see them. So get into the habit of checking the wind. It does not have to be complicated. Feel it on your face. Watch how leaves move and adjust your path. Ideally, you want the wind coming toward you, not pushing your scent forward. If it is going the wrong way, adjust your path. This one habit alone can completely change your results. And honestly, even if you are not hunting, just practicing this awareness makes you experience the forest differently. You start noticing things you would normally walk right past. Here is a bonus tip that ties everything together: slow your mind down. A lot of missed opportunities come from rushing and trying to force something to happen. But out here, patience is everything. When you slow down mentally, you naturally move quieter, notice more, and react better. At the end of the day, small game hunting is not just about hitting a target. It is about awareness, patience, and understanding your environment. If you focus on these basics, how you move, how you position yourself, and how you manage the wind, you will be ahead of most people out here. And even beyond hunting, it just makes being in the forest way more rewarding.